Here we have our Honorable President of Tipra Motha and the President of YTF to highlight and enlighten you with the issues for the upcoming.
Thank you. Welcome all the young friends today to be here. And we have very important announcement. Instead of 18 of this month, it has been preponed on 17th. So on 17th there will be rally and deputation to the state of all the district and our rank and file, all the workers, grassroots level, district level, block level, our leaders, workers will be organizing the deputation. So in the deputation, we have only one single issue, which will be submitted to the district magistrate, addressed to the governor, because Tipra Motha has already submitted our appointment with the governor of Tripura, but so far we have not received any positive reply. Therefore, we thought we are going to launch peaceful democratic movement in front of the district magistrate of all the district, and it will be addressed to the governor, appraising the governor to exercise his power of constitution to someone of 1 year. Therefore, we feel the same governor, head of the state, constitutional head of the state also, like President of India, Prime Minister of India, Governor, Chief Minister, they are all abiding under the Constitution of India. But why they are not organizing in this village council election? Very surprising. So we will be moving the office of the governor to convince him. The same governor is under the Constitution. So under the Constitution of India, 6th schedule has to be implemented. Why they are not implementing? So it seems to be very shy and saying for us to appraise His Excellency the Governor, who is the head of the state, to implement the 6th schedule provision under Indian Constitution. This is one single issue. So instead of 18, we have decided on 17. And all rank and file of our leaders of all stages will jump to convince the governor, because district council is under the governor according to 6th schedule provision. So that is why today we have invited all of you, and we are thankful for your cooperation. All the time you have been very sweet and good friends of us, and we hope this will be highlighted in the right manner. And we will be inviting all our former leaders, ex-minister, if there be, ex-MLA, ex-CM, ex-chairman, ex-MDCs, all will join the movement wherever they are, nearest to their district office. And we will be inviting all the retired personnel also. And we have our very strong women forces. Women also will jump. And our youth president is right here. We will also share some words with you. And we will be very frank and will be very sweetly approaching the administration, the governor, so that we want to have the administration also, especially the constitutional head, because we are abiding by the constitution. So it is surprising to us, not only us alone, but to everybody in the state, why they are denying the constitutional provision. The very governor and the very MLAB, CMB, they are all abiding under the constitution. But for village council election, why they are so timid, why they are so weak, why they are not strong enough to convene timely. So many elections we have participated, Now there will be election in some of the big states of the nation. So I believe mediation is very positive, and we will have no other option, but we will go on peaceful movement. If this time they do not do it, then there will be stronger movement, and we will not invite anything which will lead us to confrontation also. Thank you. If you have, I will ask.
নিজে তো একটু লাইট দরবার না আমি তো তাম
Hari kalam Joto media ni adong lono. Oro press meet hemeni o bhai mansar dike sini party ni president Tipra ni president sini sir Vijay Rangkol Verma abi Vijay Kumar Rangkol akadri ketai sing bhainai 17 tarikh omas ni 17 no sing Joto sara Tipra o Joto district wise sing Deputation Rwnai DM ni Thani tai sing Buskan yo panchayat election the Inyang Komani Oman Bagini sin deputation DM ni Truti Governor ni Thani senior deputation ya Jatna tai ang Joto YTF ni Adong Rogno tai Joto TWF ni tai Joto Tipra Motha ni Adong Rogno sini sir president Vijay Rangkol Samani Hasingo Joto party ni কর্মকর্তা রংনো আদং রংনো ও যে ডেপুটেশন অফ পার্টিসিপেশন খাইনেন বাই কইজাও তাই ও সিনি পার্টিনি এবা যত যে পদ তংনাই আদং রংনো কইও বড় ও ডেপুটেশন অফ পার্টিসিপেট খাইনে তাই অমনি লগিব সিনি টিটিএডিসি নি সিএম ডেপুটি সিএম ইএমস এমডিসি রগব ও ডেপুটেশন অফ পার্টিসিপেট খাইনে কোন সুন্দর নাকি আচ্ছা বুঝলো ও বুঝতে কোন কাটে ওদের একটা লেটার দিয়ে সারছি আমরা তারিখ অলরেডি লেটার যাচ্ছে কোন কোন রিপ্লেস হবে এমনি না ডেপুটেশন খাইনে থান তো
এটা কোনো রিপ্লাই দাও
আপনি কি ব্যাংক করে দিয়েছিলেন না জাস্ট এমনি লেটার করে
এটা এখানে আমাদের যে আছে ঠিক আছে
এসি কপি আছে
মানে পুরো রিপ্লাই করবেন আপনি পার্সোনালি আপনার গভর্নমেন্টের সঙ্গে দেখা করেন না
সব ডিস্ট্রিক্টে